I just thought of another note is that let's say that the state of California wanted a conservatorship in order to honor the legal guardians instead of power of attorney. I remember the Frank Lenterman region offered me that in 2001 uh, to be a conservator for my sister, which I refused because I had learned online and compare. Basically, once you sign that, then my sister will no longer has a voice. So be careful with conservatorship. Basically, it's actually her life belongs in the hand of the court, not really you or her. And she has no voice at all. And this is what the power of attorney, yeah, even though she give me the right to take care of her, but then she trusts me where we can communicate. But when you do the conservatorship, be careful because you have a third party involved, and is the court is involved in it. But if the court is involved in it with a good intention, then yes. But if the court involved in it with some corrupted one and not good intention, basically you hand the life of your loved one to the court. So this is why I refused to do the conservatorship in 2001 because her service coordinator offered me that service for free at Frank Lenterman region. And once I learned the differences, I say no, I want my sisters to still have the voice. Though she cannot really read or write, but she can speak in Vietnamese. I want her to voice her opinion. I want her to be angry, frustrated, happy. Those are her voices. So it's important to understand the conservatorship and also power of attorney. But if the state does not recognize the power of attorney as a legal guardians, something is not right here. It sounds to me almost like, again, gaslighting perhaps, because once the power of attorney, that means the individual allow the person to take care of them, has the right to represent them in all matters. Conservatorship is the same, but basically you have to go through the court approval. So in the end, it's not the mom and the dad who made the best decision for the child or for the adult with Down syndrome or with disability. It's basically the court will be the one. And you never know, they can yank your loved one and put it in the mental hospital. Your hands are tied. So be careful when you create a conservatorship. It's not necessary a good one. For years, for more than 20 years, I took care of my sister. We don't even need conservatorship nor power of attorney, to be frank with you. The only time we started in February 2015, I smelled troubles. I smelled their attacks. They actually attacking us. And I said, to protect my sister, I got to do the power of attorney. But before 2015, there was no power of attorney. There was no conservatorship. Everybody know I'm the one who's taking care of my sister. She trusts me. I want to provide the best for her. So be careful when the lawyer in on the conservatorship. That means the court is the one who make a decision for your loved one. So knock on wood, if you meet good people, thank God, praise God. You have the blessing, but then if you get the corrupted one, where especially health insurance these days, who knows what, and if your loved one end up in a mental hospital, be careful. I mean, don't give the court all the power to control your loved one's life. So that's my notes. I need to educate this to my other two sisters in case something happened to me.